In a coastal village, a school relies on a smart microgrid that stores solar and tidal energy to run a daytime classroom without external power. Students demonstrate energy literacy by tracing power flows from panels to lights to laptops during peak sunny hours. A weather sensor adjusts classroom brightness and fan speed, showing real-time data to the class. The principal notes that outages vanish and learning time extends, especially after storms, when the system prioritizes critical devices. The video ends with a call to see energy innovation as a daily classroom companion, empowering curiosity.